If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can easily change the view of a PDF in many ways. In addition to the document view of a PDF, Acrobat also provides a read mode and a full screen mode, which we will examine in a moment. However, one of the most common changes users want to make when using the document view of a PDF is changing its page display settings. The page display settings and zoom settings in Acrobat are part of the overall view settings for a PDF. It's important to remember that changing the view settings of an opened PDF in Acrobat doesn't change the content of the PDF, but only changes the way you see the PDF on screen. To show the page display settings for the document view of the currently opened PDF in Acrobat, click the third button up from the bottom of the navigation pane at the right side of the PDF in Document View to open a side menu of View options. Note that the face of this button changes depending on the last zoom mode selected. Alternatively, to change the page display settings, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, roll down to the View command, and then roll over the Page Display command in the side menu. Doing this then shows the side menu of the Page Display commands. To change the PDF's page display options, then select either Single Page View, which shows one PDF page at a time in the document pane, or Two Page View, which shows two pages at a time in the document pane from the side menu of choices in either location. To toggle the display of the PDF's cover page on or off if you enable the two-page view. Select the Show Cover Page command in either location to check or uncheck the command respectively. To show the additional page display options for a PDF if you are accessing the Page Display menu commands using the navigation pane, click the More link at the bottom of the menu to show the additional commands within a scrollable list in the same menu. You can then scroll up and down in the menu to select the new commands as needed. To toggle smooth scrolling between pages in the PDF on or off versus jumping from page to page in the document pane, select the Enable Scrolling command in either location to check or uncheck the command. You can enable smooth scrolling for both the one-page and two-page display if desired. Page gutters are the spaces shown between pages in the view of a PDF. To toggle the display of page gutters on or off for the current PDF, select the Show Page Gutters command in either side menu location to check or uncheck the command respectively. To slowly and automatically scroll through the pages in a PDF, click the Automatically Scroll command in either side menu location. This command turns off when it finishes, or you can select it again to turn it off before then if desired. The keyboard shortcut to automatically scroll pages in a PDF is Ctrl plus Shift plus H, which is often easier to use than selecting the corresponding command in either side menu location. To switch to the Read Mode view of a PDF in Acrobat, which fits only the active page view within the Acrobat window and only shows the title bar, select the Read Mode command in either side menu location. In Read Mode, a floating toolbar containing Save, Print, Page Navigation, and Zoom buttons appears at the bottom of the view when you hover or move the mouse over that area. To exit Read Mode, click the Exit Read Mode button at the far right end of the floating toolbar. Alternatively, to switch to a full screen mode view of a PDF in Acrobat, select the Full Screen Mode command in either side menu location. Full screen mode in Acrobat shows one page at a time in the open PDF, with each page resized to fill the screen. It hides all other tools on screen. To navigate full screen mode in Acrobat, left-click your mouse to advance through the pages. Alternatively, press the Enter or Spacebar keys on your keyboard to move through pages. To return to previous pages in full screen mode in Acrobat, right-click the mouse. Alternatively, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then press either the Enter or Spacebar keys on your keyboard to move to previous pages. To exit full screen mode in Acrobat, either press the Escape key on your keyboard or use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+L to exit. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.